guys, I'm going to show you how I made this DIY cane headboard. First things first, when you get your cane webbing in, you're going to want to give it a bath overnight, soak it, don't unroll the roll. And then the next morning, you're going to drain the tub, and I sat it upright so it could air dry out a little bit. You don't want it dripping wet. Next up is measuring, marking, and cutting your boards. I determined I wanted a 62-inch long headboard for a queen-size mattress, and I cut the side boards at 16 inches because my cane webbing was 20 inches. So go ahead and you'll mark all 4 boards, make your cuts, and then the next piece is just giving it a little sanding. So now we're going to use the Kreg pocket drill, and it's a really cool little thing. You can drill your holes. It's great for furniture. It comes with a tool to determine, based on the thickness of your wood, where you need to drill your holes. So this is at 3/4 of an inch. So I set up the Kreg pocket drill, and I just used a clamp to hold it steady where I wanted it. And you adjust the Kreg tool at 3/4, you adjust the drill at 3/4. It's all marked on there for you. Then you just go ahead and it guides the drill at an angle. It's actually really easy. Just clamp really well. And then you just clean out the spots, and it doesn't go all the way through the board. But it's like pre-drilling, and this is a great tool for furniture and hiding those screws. It's just, it gives it a great finished look, and this tool was only $30, and I could have got one for $20, but I chose this one because I can do 2 at a time. So after all 4 corners were drilled, then I used my clamps to line it up, square it up, and secure it. And then I just used the drill attachment that came with the Kreg pocket drill, and I screwed in my screws, and it was just way too easy and satisfying to just have such a finished look. So you'll do that for all 8 screws, and I was really surprised with how sturdy and secure it felt. It was just really impressive. So the next thing is I clamped down the cane webbing, and it still is a little damp to the touch, but it's not dripping because you don't want the water sitting on your wood. So I clamped it down, and then I used this staple gun, and I actually kept my staples quite close. Probably don't have to do it quite that close, but after maybe like 8 hours, the cane webbing totally dried, and it got tight, and it just looked so nice. So then I cut off any extra fray and used duct tape just to make sure it didn't fray. Then I made my marks for this French cleat. It was $8. It's awesome. Found the center of my headboard, center of the cleat, measured it, marked it, and then you always want to pre-drill so you don't crack your wood. And then I went ahead and secured half of the French cleat to the top of the headboard. And then your next step is determining how tall you want your headboard to be on the wall. And it comes with that little level, just makes it so easy. Marked my spots, pre-drilled, and then I drilled in 3 screws. The French cleat comes with all the screws you need. And it's really that simple. This French cleat can hold more than the weight that my headboard is. My headboard is very light, actually. It's just made of select pine wood, and then the cane webbing is super light. So, but you can get French cleats that hold more weight. So it's a pretty handy tool, and it's just so easy to install and remove if you move. And then I just set the French cleat on top of the wall. That's it. So give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.